Hello everyone. Moving on in this series, today we will be discussing using React.Suspense and React.Lazy for lazy loading of your components. Lazy loading is a great technique for speeding and optimizing up the render time of your React app. The basic idea of lazy loading is to load a component only when it is needed. React comes bundled with the React.Lazy API so that you can render a dynamic import as a regular component. So instead of loading your regular component like this, you can boost your app's performance by using the lazy method to render a component like this. React.Lazy takes a function that must call a dynamic import. It will then return a promise which resolves to a module with a default export containing a React component. Do remember that the lazy component should be rendered inside a suspense component because the suspense component will allow you to add fallback content as a loading state while waiting for the lazy component to load.